Is your child struggling in maths? So don't worry. Today I am sharing a simple 15 minutes daily formula that can improve your child maths grade. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Smiles and Sums with Neha. So guys, अगर आपका बच्चा भी मैथ्स से डरता है या उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही है, तो बने रहिए आखिर तक. So now, first let us come to the real problem. Real problem is not that your child is weak. Actually, the basics of your child related to maths are weak. So what you have to do, give him a daily practice, है ना. अगर वो डेली प्रैक्टिस करेगा, एक तो उसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इम्प्रूव होगा, फियर जाएगा और उसको ये मैथ्स इंटरेस्टिंग लगने लगेगा जब उसे समझ आने लगेगा. तो मैथ्स इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ बिल्डिंग अ हाउस. सो जैसे एक घर को बनाने के लिए एक हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन चाहिए, उसी तरह मैथ्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए हमें एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिक्स चाहिए. मैथ्स के स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिक्स जो बच्चों को पता होने चाहिए. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज़ हाउ टू स्ट्रेंथन दोज बेसिक्स. सो बेसिक्स आर योर चाइल्ड मस्ट नो द टेबल्स फ्रॉम 2 to 12. He must know simple mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Understanding of place value should be there. Understanding of word problems should be there. So spend just 5 minutes daily in revising the tables. So when the tables are strong, definitely speed will improve. Okay, so in the third step, now I am going to give you a magic formula. What is that magic formula? That you have to spend 15 minutes daily. Now how to segregate those 15 minutes? Give 5 minutes for the tables, daily practice, 5 minutes for math sum related to any topic, and 5 minutes for any one word problem. So be consistent and give your child daily practice. So next, what you can do, you can enroll your child in a mental maths courses like Abacus and Vedic Maths. So these courses, they improve the focus of your child, concentration of your child, and provide shortcut tricks and encouraging tricks for the maths to solve the typical problem. So definitely your child will start enjoying this subject, and grade will automatically improve. Okay, so next, you can encourage your child to avoid the silly mistakes. How to avoid the silly mistakes? That just teach them कि you have to underline the important words, important numbers given in any question. Read the question 2 times, and when the question is done, again recheck it, and then write your final answer. One more thing, कि encourage your child to do the work in neat and clean proper manner, like only one question on the one sheet, or give proper spacing after every question, because if the work is clean, now there is a less chances of doing the mistakes. So in this way, you can avoid the silly mistakes in any exam. Okay, and next, try to make the maths, this subject, a fun, not a burden, not a scary one, है ना. And if the child is start enjoying it, है ना, if the fun activities are there, so definitely great encouragement will be there, and interest will improve, है ना. child जो है ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेने लगेगा उस सब्जेक्ट में. And you can provide small rewards also. Suppose the child is doing something good in this subject, so give any small party or anything, है ना, and any small gift you can give. And next, you can provide mini challenges also, है ना. What kind of mini challenges are there? If you want to know that, just mention your doubt, your question in the comment section below. I will make a separate video on that also. Okay, and when the enjoyment is there, when the child is start enjoying the subject, definitely the improvement will be there. It will be automatic. Okay, and next, what you can do, next, always try to build a confidence in your child related to maths. Okay, never say you are weak. Always try to encourage them with the positive words. Positive words means positive results will be there. So these are few tips and tricks which you can use to improve your child's score in the maths. Okay, and So parents, if you are struggling with any other maths topic, maths issue related to maths, just mention in the comment section below. Okay, I will make a separate video on that also. So parents, follow this 50 minutes daily routine for 30 days. You will see a real improvement in your child. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Take care.